Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use the trace on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. Guys, in MasterTool we can use some visual resources to visualize our variables with the data of our process. For example, take advantage of a chart. So, for that, we right-click here in the application field and call a trace object. We can give these trace a name called graphic, for example. Our trace object is created for us. Now we can configure this chart for the main task. And then we can add a variable. This variable field we need to give the path of our variable. So, we are going to select the level variable that is inside the POO level control and press OK. We'll set the line color to red and give it an OK. Now we can go to online, log in and then yes. If we open our POO level control, we can see that the value of 50 on top of the 50 line. We can drag the POO here to have a split screen and follow both sides at the same time. If we change the level tag here, the level variable to another value, the amplitude of the graph is adjusted here automatically. We can change the values and visually track the level of the variable. So, this was our 44th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.